Hi, my name is Lily and I'm studying the Health and Wellbeing of Early Childhood.
Hi, my name is Lucy and I'm studying Health and Wellbeing in Early Childhood.
It's sort of the only course I found that was a mixture of early childhood and also social studies, and then applied online.
I came to an open day. I saw they were doing the Health and Wellbeing, and yeah, that was just sort of like exactly what I was looking for. I sort of had a year out, I had a baby, tried a few sort of different things, but having her gave me like an interest in early childhood. I think they're really understanding here about being a parent basically. All the lecturers were like really understanding and really kind.
We do one day early childhood, and then one day health and social care. So there's no end exam, it's all assignment.
Yeah.
Which I think is really good.
Yeah, it's all like essays, presentations. We did a portfolio for the health and social care places.
It's all over time, which is a lot less stressful.
Yeah.
Because we get to do a placement for early childhood, which I went to a nursery, and then you also get to do a placement with health and social care. So you get to experience both, don't you? And
yeah.
We both did a nightlife cafe.
Yeah, it's sort of like a out-of-hours mental health service where people just sort of come together.
And there's volunteers there who are trained.
Yeah.
Like being able to talk to people.
The campus is really nice, it's not too big, it's sort of easy to find where you're going. There's free parking.
Yeah, that is a big thing.
Which is really good.
We both drive here and there's always parking, no matter what time you get. At this age, when you're this young, it's so hard to know what exactly you want to do, because I definitely don't know what I want to do, but because you've got the early childhood area, I could go into early childhood and then they work so well together, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
We do placements in both, lectures in both, seminars in both, so then you get the best of both worlds, really.